Alright, now we'll make last try. I will show you all the connections behind, so you can see that everything is as you describe it. Let's see. I have just unplugged because it uses all the battery in the car. I don't know why. I have plugged these. This is okay. I have plugged these two as you wish. FL out, and this side aux L, and also here out and aux right. Okay. If it doesn't work, I will also try to connect with aux in here, as this one. And I can't make the camera work. I will tell you about that later. You can see all the connections here. It is made here. The connections is okay. And let's see if there's anything other. And you can also see the connections behind here. Everything is on like this. Okay. You can see here. And let's see how this will work. So let's try. I think I am completely sure that there is something wrong with the CAN bus I got. If I just plug the old CAN bus, the sound works very fine immediately, but this new CAN bus you have sent me, there is no sound at all. So I'm sure that there's something wrong. And I will also choose the correct CAN bus here. I will show you. General factory. I will show car. Sorry. Car model. I will choose what you have told me to choose. Here, this one, okay, the correct CAN bus, and I will show you. Just open something. There is no sound in the car at all. No sound. Now I will try to switch the red and the white cable, see if this works. So I take this two and switch with these two. Just a moment. So now, as you can see, aux right and left is sitting with in here with these tubes. So you can hear there is no sound, nothing. This is very strange, very strange, and these buttons don't work. Maybe if I choose another CAN bus, normally maybe it would work, but this time it doesn't. No. So there is something wrong. But if I make this be like this and I do that, I take the old CAN bus you sent me first time, this one. I know this is not the correct one, I know this is the wrong one, but if I plug this in, I will show you. I'll just take out the switch here, so there's no so I have just plugged this one inside. Let's see. Come on.
Much had changed since I was last in US today. Become famous. And this guy's kind of looks like you. No
So this works.
people have become.
But if I put this one, there is no sound, so I don't believe it is some cable or it is some settings. I think there is something wrong with this CAN bus. It doesn't start the sound, and the first time I put it inside, I choose the correct CAN bus. I could use these buttons, and I could also use these ones. It reacted when I pressed these buttons. But now if I put this one inside and choose the correct CAN bus, I cannot use these buttons. So I think there is something wrong with this CAN bus. I think you have to send me a new one.